Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of Plex eSIM. So for some reason, I'm not able to connect to the App Store link. And as far as I can tell, Plex eSIM is down at the moment. So a quick overview of Plex is that this was a good app with support over on 200 countries. And the feature was very nice. You can select from destination, package, and more. However, because it's down, and let me quickly show you some alternatives. And another, okay, so Flex is not available for Android devices, which makes it less convenient. And also, since it only supports Apple devices, and at the moment the link is not even working. So I'd suggest you either go with Maya or Globe. Is Globe is a better option, and Maya is also a good one. Let me quickly show you. So this one here is a much better option than Flex. Let me quickly close it. So let me go over this one. A great alternative compared to Flex. So if you're looking for a reliable eSIM provider, Maya Mobile is a great option. And you can get some great deals. They have some good deals going on right now. And check out their new global eSIM. And you can customize your package depending on your how many days you are planning to travel, the amount like 4G, 5G net, data package, and more. So another good option is this one from Globe, right? For those who prefer mobile first solution, Globio offers a welcome bonus of $7.5, and just take a look at the website and you'll see some nice features. Anyway, so Plex eSIM had the potential, but they are not in the business at the moment, as far as I can tell. So that's why you might be better off with Maya or Globe. I'd go with Maya. This one they have some nice features. And another option is eSIM for travel if you're frequently traveling, and you can find more in the video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this review somewhat sort of review helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick eSIM tutorial and tips.